Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So I usually color my hair a lot because I love it. But unfortunately I end up with a lot of dull and dry hair and with super frizzy hair. So I was searching for the best option to get all that shine back. So my hairdresser at Bhanu's hair studio recommended me L'Oréal Professionnel Serie Expert treatment, a best treatment for my hair and also for all hair concern. So before deciding the treatment, my hairdresser did a quick diagnosis of my hair and suggested me the best suitable treatment, that is the Liss Unlimited, which helps in controlling frizz and treats hair with a special care. And along with that, my hairdresser took me to the wide range of treatment are for different variety of hair concerns. Now coming to the range which I have used on my hair was the L'Oréal Professionnel Serie Expert Liss Unlimited, which contains a shampoo, a mask and a serum. It is an intense smoothing treatment to add a boost of moisture to dry and frizzy hair, leaving it smooth, shiny and controlled. Let's quickly go through the whole process, how my hair became dab to fab. So my hair intense smoothing process started with the shampoo, where they have used L'Oréal Professionnel Serie Expert Liss Unlimited shampoo and cleansed my hair. This was the first step to clean the hair. So coming to the next step, where they have used L'Oréal Professionnel Serie Expert Liss Unlimited hair mask and a oil, and they have mixed it, and then they have applied that mask on each strand of my hair. After applying the hair mask, there was a massage as well. And steam also. After steaming, my hair was left for cooling and then washed it out. Then my hair was treated with the Vitamino Color Shine Sealer, a shine sealer rinse out lotion which helps to lock in the treatment, give long lasting results. And then the hair was again washed. Then my hair was made perfect with the blow dry. Before that, they have applied the serum as per my hair requirement. And this was the final result. So this is how my hair looks. You can see a good amount of shine on my hair. This is my before and after hair. And even I took the shampoo and the mask at home also. Now my hair looks and feels more softer and healthier, and all the shine has returned, and now I am more confident about my hair health, and at the same time this treatment has left me with a more stronger hair. This is a much needed go-to treatment for a rejuvenating session, and even at the same time I had an amazing experience in the in-house services given in the Bhanu's hair studio. So this is a personalized hair care solution which is recommended by the professionals and pros. So this is a one solution for all your hair concern, cater to all hair problems whether it is a dandruff, a frizzy hair, rough hair, dry and dull hair. And at the same time, it gives you an ultimate luxurious treatment to the hair which it wants and the specific care it requires. Even you can also book your appointment for your hair treatment and you can give them their luxurious special care which they want. So I have provided the link in the description box so that you can also book yours. All the dullness and dryness is gone and it is looking much healthier, strong and more manageable. So I'm totally loving my hair. So that's all for the today's video. Hope आपको video अच्छा लगा हो. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, do subscribe on my channel. I will see you in my next video. तब तक के लिए take care everyone. Bye. See you all.